We are here back with another video, and before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And all I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. Now, WISH Stock has been pulling back today, going towards earnings. Earnings is tomorrow. As we could see here, it states August 12th. If you want to check on your brokerage or check online and go ahead and correct that or confirm that, you can. I believe it is tomorrow. And it's so important to be aware of this reaction that WISH is going through now towards earnings. But before we cover everything here in the chart, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day that I mentioned over at the Discord. And we're going to talk about everything that I see moving forward going on with WISH and what to expect going into tomorrow and what to look for. The home run of the day was spectacular. It went beyond 20% plus, which is what we call here on Invest for Tomorrow a home run. We're going to look at it. But if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So we have CWBR. This one right here gave us about 10 to 15% jumps. Then we got FULC. It was much riskier today than yesterday. We caught this one in the 12s, nearly doubled. And today it reached highs of about $24, pulled back, and on its dips and rips, gave about 5 to 10% jumps. And our home run of the day that broke out beyond 20% was DYAI. And we're going to look at that right here in just a moment. I mean, this chart presented multiple opportunities. The first opportunity was in the pre-market, 5 to 10%, pulled back down towards the bell, took off 10 to 20%, pulled it back again to 410 and ripped for a 30% plus opportunity in a matter of minutes, pulled back down and gave multiple jumps of 5 to 10%, 5 to 15%, and then from this low here to this high again, gave nearly a 20% plus opportunity. So it gave 2 home run opportunities multiple times. I mean, this was spectacular. This is what we look for daily. 5 to 10% on a regular day. 10 to 20% is a great day. And a home run is 20% plus. This is something you can become part of as well. And we look forward to having you join us. Let's talk about the chart and everything about it moving forward. So here we are with WISH Stock, WISH Stock, ContextLogic Inc. And it's pulling back. And I've stated in the last several videos if this is going to be another bull trap, because we saw how fast it's been moving. Yes, it did the double bottom here. It's been forming strength, and this was looking like a bull trap. Started to pull down. Then we had an anticipatory run towards earnings, and now we're pulling back again, forming another bull trap opportunity. Why? Because the stock is not continuing its trajectory to the upside. It keeps on being volatile. And for those that caught it at the $8 mark are the only ones that are seeing a significant upside in their position. But everyone else, it's just sitting sideways. And those that caught the peak after anticipation or excitement or hope of further upside is now seeing it to the downside or pushing back to a break even. So it's so important right now to understand that these runs have been happening, and every time they happen, it comes right back towards it, kind of like levels off. Happened right here, leveled off, right around the same area. I've been talking about that. Happened right here, came right back down. So this is the only run that happened that looked to have some strength. And if you can see here, there's kind of a channel, and yes, it's moved from down here to up here, but it doesn't continue the trajectory. It's having trouble holding itself up and continuing. So we got some things to look at here. The first thing is being aware of those lows of 882, okay? That double bottom was true with strength here, but if it doesn't hold itself up, it can lose everything that it actually formed and possibly retest those lows or even break through it, right? So before it gets there, today's low was right here at 967. I would watch that carefully and how it reacts between 967 and the lowest point that we've seen after coming up and this sideways action, which is down here at 950. If 950 gets broken through, next point of reference is 920, and then below 920 is 882. So if you want to dissect the chart into those 4 sections there, you can. Those support levels will let you see how the fight is on, right? Because there's going to be a battle between the bulls and the bears going into tomorrow, going into earnings, and even after. Now, one thing that I've noticed is that Wish and CLOV move kind of close to related to each other. They're not exactly the same, but they closely relate to each other. And today, CLOV spiked up and Wish hasn't. So my question is, if Wish does go lower into earnings and towards earnings spikes up, then it could show that there is some type of correlation on how they react. But if it does the complete opposite, there could be a disconnect from these two stocks that everyone's calling the meme stocks and that Reddit forums are loving, right? Those were the top two stocks that were being talked about months ago, weeks ago, and here we are again, them setting up with some strength and moving pretty volatile, but not really going too much to the upside. It's just kind of staying in the same place. So if you've done your research, you know what's going on with Wish, and you know what analysis price targets are saying, and you're in this for the long haul, these small moves or pullbacks might just be even bigger opportunities. But for those that are trying to swing trade this or scalp it pretty quickly, it's going to be rough to time it or execute with any significant gains through all this up and down. So going into tomorrow, those are the support levels I would be watching on how it reacts towards earnings and even after earnings. Now, to the upside, the first resistance level is 10.02, and that would be significant to get back up above $10, continue to push itself up. But the highest point in the pre-market today was 10.50. I believe that will be a pivotal moment to know if the bulls are gaining strength, pushing back up, and continuing the momentum from down here at the 882 range to continue going up and creating that staircase effect, right? From here to here and beyond, right? Going all the way up to newer highs and new resistance levels, right? Let me go ahead and draw that again so you can see the arrow going upside to new resistance levels and beyond in that momentum. Now, if 1050 gets broken through, the highest point is 1069. It's just a few cents away. So 1050 is going to be pivotal to know if the bulls are gaining strength, have a chance to fight through, use it as support to get to 1069 and break out of it to get into the 11s and continue the momentum to the upside. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And this is not financial advice. This is just me enlightening you guys on the stocks that I'm watching. What is it that I'm watching? And what am I paying close attention to? As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And let's make some money.